見到啲綠嘢，咁我哋知道咧，今日又嚟咗呢個 JCCC。咁繼續我哋嗰個高嶺之花道嘅班。我哋去日本啊，所以都 miss 咗一堂。咁睇下追唔追得到？追唔到都冇計嘅。佢而家啲指示清晰咗，同埋好似靚咗。
See, it's too short. I think 1 millimeter short. But you know what? This glass bars look like even.
It's inconsistent.
But it's consistent. So I might find the right spot, right? But try to get the like the longest. I think this way. I think it's.
Wow.
See, it's 1 millimeter short. So I'm gonna try one more time.
Is it both end angle? Or
One side is straight.
Okay.
One side is straight. One side is slightly angled. Hi, how are you? Oh, am I short 1 millimeter again? Maybe. Yeah. See, I got and the branch is gonna dry out, so go a little bit longer. Ceramic bars because of the one thin so have to be careful. That's why this technique you cannot use the fragile ceramic bars, or if it's thick enough, fine. Like you had today, that's perfect. Yeah. So this side is straight, this side is slightly angled. So angle one is down and push up. So this part is pushing, very pushing, and you can even lift up. That's tension. Then when you're doing it, it won't fall down.
Okay.
So little by little, and then and from the bottom, and this is angle, this is straight, and from the bottom, push up, because if you go from top, the first one gonna be down, right? So from the bottom, kind of makes sense, and not too deep, because if it's deep, okay, I got here, right? What's gonna happen? If you're gonna insert this one, it's always cannot be more than that, so it's gonna be always upright, angle-wise. Yes.
If we put the upper.
If you put the lower one and put the upper one from top, then you're gonna push into this one. So it's harder to. So one here and one here. Both is lift up.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, of course, if it's stable, you won't push down. But like a mechanical way, okay, top one first and then from. Yeah. Like this. So if your branch is like very significant front and back, and you use this. But one temperature is more controllable. It's more you can control the angle, depth, right? And diameter. I got this length and times 1.5. So that means add half of it, right? Plus, that is too short. So you have to think the inside part, which is not showing. You like the ceramic bars, you don't see it. So this part is extra. You have to think as a leg. So to show here, that's right. Depth, diameter times 1.5 length to show. Almost like full length. That. Or if you can put here, this is more the edge. So I think I'm gonna be like this here. So I'm gonna cut slightly, adjust it. So avoid the knots. This part is hard and a pumping point for the water. So I cut the angle here. And it's along to the inside of the body. And also it has a weight too. So should I trim that? For now it's leave it. So 15 degrees from here. Like that. then to show 45 degree, like that. So here, so you have to think this way. But 45 degree means you don't need much inside, because if it's up, you need a more length. Tilt, less, as mathematics, right? So I'm gonna be like that, and I'm gonna be in here. Go longer always, because once you cut it,
呢個我
you can put it back, right?
影都 longer 嘅，
Hopefully, okay.
唔夠短啫。
45, 55, more slide. You can put it here too. It's more slide. I think it's this way is better. Then 75, right? And it's gonna sit on there, but inside part you have to think. So you can put either way, this way or that way. Doesn't matter. Either way.
停出嚟㗎嘛。
But direction-wise, this way. I'm gonna put this way. And now,
哦，因為佢耷，所以變咗差唔多。
you can trim it later. Like,
嗰個 structure 就
there
係
is no rules.
大婆、二奶同小生，跟住咧呢啲係
This
主角
point,
同埋其他嗰啲小朋友。
different height, different.
剪啦剪。
So this is your structure. Shin, soe, ikare. Either one, I'm gonna check it. Ooh, I think this guy's. Then more space. This one is kind of I'm debating, but she is talking to me, so I don't mind it. And this one is like supporting a soe, so it's beautiful. It's nothing. It's not. This one you can use here or some little cups. Get this something. It's a small head, so you can use the 5 stem today. 5 stem.
哦，佢落呢啲
cluster.
Hmm?
You make a cluster.
可以
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
可
So
以插嗰啲呢啲
maybe
非
so
洲花
from。here, focal point as usual. So I wanna put somewhere like here, different lengths here,
整男主啊！
and make sure it's touched to the wall. That's if you like this, it's gonna be dangles. Or if you like, okay, I'm here, it's gonna be dangles for sure. So make sure it's sit on here or under. If it's under, it's lower, so which is fine. But make sure it's not like hanging like there. Make sure it's attached to the other side of the wall.
哦 OK，
Then you can lay up. Oh, I think it's too short now.
So 3 points connection always.
That's right. That's right. 1, 2. Actually, today is a 2 connection because it's no they're sandwich today. So it's
因為太短咗。
that.
What is 2-point connections?
So it's touching here the wall and touching the on here or limb. So and you can use this, and sometimes you divide it. But this one, I think we can use it. So I like that.
飽喎。
So maybe small head member. So if you put it underneath. Oh, by the way, this is it's like a branch. It's connected to one side. Should be okay.
乜圓㗎？
Then it's easier to underneath. It's more stable.
乜圓之後咧，就開心啲。
Yeah. And
哎呀，其他跌咗兩個。
before this, maybe structures there. So try to hide the opening at the, especially for tall container. You want to have something there, so you can sit on there. This one moved because of the crossbar. Because one stem fixture, it didn't move, right? Because it's sandwich well. But this one kind of moved. So when you're doing it, it's like be patient. Okay, put it back, and layer and layer.
Just like my kids.
That's right. Be patient. That's right.
係咯，
That's right.
叫佢唔
Patience,
好喐過
patience.
喐。
They're gonna test you. It's more like balance game, but Akurumat is gonna help you today. Yeah. If it's big flower, that's hard, but
佢唔使食
it's,
咁多
it's
水，
just to damage you.
咁所以唔需要插到咁深，
Ikebana style is more like this.
吸少少啫。
Yeah, and a different angle, not just
咁呢個就可以擺
upright.
到。
Right? You control the angle. Use a 5. Now it's 4. One more.
唔到嘅話，
Oh, the number is good. So you have 5 steps or something
有
like
5
that.
個男主角，同埋1個男主角，
So there is
4 個
no
男
rules.
主角，
You just think,
就係啦。
enjoy it. Your nage ire. Like nage means like slow in. So enjoy your slow in. When you're doing it, sit back, see where you want to be. It's gonna break. So cross finger and slightly twist, almost like you're massaging it or squeezing the cells of the stem.
真係好玩到咁樣啊變咗。嗱，玩咗你睇。
Right here. So find a spot. And the leaves is touching each other, not the crushing feeling. Then fine. It's you need a bushness a little bit.
呢個好明顯難過之前嗰啲。
On the top.
即係雖然佢話有啲層次感，我都會覺得好似一嚿嘢咁。
I can have
呢
a
個
little
一
bit
定帶
high.
唔到翻屋企，
So it depends on
拆
where you
鬼
want.
晒佢之後，翻到屋企重新插過。
This one. In the back. You have a little bit height. Yeah, I think it should keep it. It's yes, yes, right. Yeah. Of course, we need a space between shin
即係
and
佢想
soe.
喺個吉位之後
And
整個
if it's something, but this one is
Judging
more.
by young social.
Yeah, I can keep it.
What would happen if this was out?
Hmm?
If this was cut out?
Oh, this guy's. I think this guy's okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, because
Now
it's low enough.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of yes touchy, but it's not squeezing each other, right? Not crush.
佢都想加多條。
Open up. You can add lower, not too high like this, okay? But lower and a little bit in the
即係
back.
180度咁樣睇究竟有咩空位同吉位。
ね、YouTube とかでやってますよね。
私全然見ないんでわかんない。
そうそう、こんなのとか。
邊邊都有嗰個吸冚。
じゃあ今日はちゃんと。
你睇到嗰個中理。
やってみてください。